Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Yamaha, either a YC63, YC71, or YC88, the YC series electronic keyboards, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If your keyboard is not working right, or it's not following the configurations that you have on it, if it's just bugging or glitching in any sort of way, then a factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. The other reason that you might want to do this is if you're selling this or buying a used one, or just for whatever reason where you just want to have it wipe all the configurations, all the settings, all the presets off of it and get it back to the way that it was when it came out of the box. We can go ahead and do that quite easily. So we're actually going to do this from the little menu that we can make pop up here. So what you're going to do is you're going to come down here and you're just going to hit this menu button, and then it's going to open up a menu, and from that menu you're going to select job, and then from the job menu you're going to select factory reset. Now you may get a little warning that you need to confirm it, and once you do that, it will wipe everything off of this and it will be like it was when it came out of the box.